its name says, it's a future vision program. So one of like the tasks that you have is to not exactly plan your future, but see, like imagine what it can be and what you would want it to be. It's easy in the current situation, like to feel stress or like lose hope in humanity and the world. And this type of curses can help you see like the bigger picture, like this is just a moment in time, like we'll get passed by it, like what are we doing in the future, it helps put things in perspective and not stay so focused in the negative and the current bad things. There were like different tools that were thought like along the program. Some were more like ideas and questions to ask yourself when you're like in a stressful situation or having doubts about your life or your future. Like there were plenty of different tools, some of which I liked best and some of which I don't use anymore, but I know they exist, like the tapping. If I'm really feeling stressed or something and I want to try like one last resource, like I can go to that. I wasn't like too happy about it, but I wanted to do it because of my partner, like let's give it a try. I've never done any type of courses like that. And what I ended up learning is it's at your own pace. If you want to do it, you can do it. It's for your personal growth. Nobody's going to be behind you like scowling if you didn't read or whatever. It's pretty like on your own. It's just 1 hour a week. I ended up actually like looking forward to it because even if we were like at a distance, you get to know a little bit about like the other people that are in the program, and you end up like making these connections in a way. Like we're not friends in any sense. I might not remember their names anymore, but I remember their faces and like what they were going through in life. So I ended up like looking forward to it because it's also like an encouraging program for me, especially to like open up about things that I don't talk like daily or don't even think. I think the instructor is super cool. I think the way he takes the classes it's not like one way. It's always two ways, or in this case, like many ways, because we were like 10, 15 pairs of people in the group. And I think he's very knowledgeable, if that's a word. He has insights and good information and examples to understand the concepts a little bit better. And he has some bad jokes every now and then, but that's okay.